name is Mr. Prosper at St. Arame Primary School in P6 class. So, the Kafunzo Community Project has helped me, has helped the all pupils who study from this school. The Kafunzo Community Project has provided shelter to the pupils who study from here, and the shelter is very well aerated. They have the bed sheets, the mattresses, the deckers, all. There is no bed bugs. All the things are well aerated, and the dormitory is well aerated. It is painted. The deckers are painted. The dormitory down on the floor there is the cement. Every Friday we mop our dormitory, so that means that our dormitory is ever clean. And the Kafunzo Community Project is a hard-working project. So I thank the people who work in the Kafunzo Community Project and the sponsors. I thank them very much. Thank you.